So guys, right here and today I'm gonna do another my book mukbang battle with my sister. Baby, say hi again.
Hi.
And today we are gonna do again the my mukbang battle. Let's
Eat.
cheers without Bailey. She didn't wait. So let's just cheers the air. Cheers. No. This is a glitch. This pie. Wait, what's this? Oh, okay, that's just bulldog. Sa pie. Eat. Oh no! I'll tell this to you guys. Like and subscribe for another my mukbang to get a revenge on my sister.
No.
Guys, don't listen to her. Let's give her payback. Anyways, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give this video a like. And thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.